How to update Google Home app? Is your Google Home app acting buggy or missing new features? Time for an update. Let's do it in just a few taps. Open the App Store on your iPhone, tap the search bar and types Google Home. If it says open, congrats, you are already up to date. If it says update, tap it. Wait for a few seconds for the update to download or install. Once done, tap open to launch the app freshly. And here's the pro tip. To never worry about manual update again, turn on auto update. Go to settings, tap app, then tap app store and turn on app updates. And that's it. Your Google Home app is now updated and ready with the latest features. If this helps, smash the like button, drop your question in the comment, and subscribe for more quick and fun tech tips. Catch you in the next one.